welcome back to another really belated Boxycharm unboxing. This one is for the November premium box. Hey man, only a few months after this one to go, and then we're caught up. So anyway, here's our little card for it, with the info. And this one's a spendy little box. So we're gonna just dive right in, and in no particular order, we have the Kate Somerville Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. This retails for $44 for a cleanser, which is crazy to me. Anyway, keep breakouts at bay with this clinically formulated cleanser for blemish-prone skin. Use daily to clear pimples, unclog pores, balance oily skin, and help prevent future breakouts. Which, honestly, sounds pretty fantastic for me right now, especially because I'm almost done with that Murad one from hell. So, anyway, then we have the Pericone MD No Rinse Micellar Cleansing Treatment. See, not just straight cleansing water. This is different. This is different. So this retails for $45. Ooh, we're already like above the value of the box itself. This ultra gentle liquid cleansing treatment works as a 3-in-1 cleanser, toner, and makeup remover. It helps remove surface debris and unclog impurities from deep within pores while smoothing and conditioning. Skin is left looking and feeling refreshed. That's cool as shit. Like, not gonna lie, that's actually really cool that they did a 3-in-1 like that. Like, yeah, it's expensive, but, you know, you're getting a 3-in-1 and it's really nice quality. I understand that. I totally understand that. So, next, from Rare Beauty, we have the With Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. So this retails for $16. A hydrating lip balm with a kiss of dewy buildable color that looks and feels so good your lips will thank you. Throw on the sheer soft tinted balm without a mirror and still get it right. It glides on smooth and feels comfy and cushiony, never greasy or sticky, featuring weightless hydration that lasts all day so lips feel nourished and nurtured. Lips will look fuller and healthier with buildable color that blurs the look of fine lines without settling. So it's in the color Thankful. I'm assuming it's going to be like a terracotta color. Oh, that's an interesting shape. Alright, let's look at it. Ooh, are we magnetic? We are! Oh, I love those. And that was almost right. It's not quite terracotta. It's a little more brown, but okay, you know, for November, when this came out, it's actually a perfect color. So I'll just set that aside for now, put a pin in that, and we'll come back to that in the fall, which is just a few months away now. Anyway, then we have, what is this? By Saint Lux. It's the Morganite and Carnelian Gel Lip Liner Duo, and this is $30. This new and improved gel lip liner is creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. It glides smoothly onto lips and blends with little to no effort. Achieve a fuller look by overlining lips just above the natural lip line to get a plump, kissable pout. Okay. Does it tell us which one's which? I'm assuming... Yeah, I was gonna say, this should be Carnelian, because it's the red one. Gotta be real careful, because they're gels. It's like gel eyeliners. Okay. That's real pretty. Man. Why do I always feel the need to sniff? I don't know. But anyway, so that's that one. And then Morganite is the brown one. Which, again, for that part of the year, fabulous. This part, not so much. I can wear a red whenever, but I'm a little weirder on the browns, but that's just me. Okay. But they should still be really nice. And gel liners for the lips. I'm like, that sounds so much better than, like, the scratchy-ass normal pencils that I hate. Ooh, what are we? This is by Complex Culture. It's the Executive Level Mascara. It's $28. Level up your eyes with this multitasking 5-in-1 mascara that defines, lifts, lengthens, volumizes, and nourishes lashes from root to tip. Ultra conditioning formula enhances shine and defines lashes without smudging or flaking. Fit with a curved wand to hug each and every lash for a full-out, next-level volume. That's pretty cool. Alright, I see you. And I think the last thing in here is the spendiest one. And this is the Skin Inc. Sculpt Lift Bar 24 karat gold. This is $125, my dudes. provides multiple benefits for inner and outer beauty, for glowing skin and a youthful appearance. The pulsating massage is also relaxing and de-stressing. For busy urbanites like us, this handy tool is a real time saver in our increasingly hectic lifestyles. I know you're all thinking what I'm thinking. We're all on the same page, okay? Like, I already know. And you already know, but... Alright, let's see, on the back. The contouring facial massage of our luxurious 24K gold-plated vibrating bar helps to smoothen, depuff, lift, and relax facial muscles at 6,000 vibrations per minute. You know I'm gonna have to experiment. You know I do. Directions to turn on the vibration. Twist the bottom of the bar anti-clockwise. Place it on desired parts of your face, like jawline, laugh lines, cheek, chin, forehead, and massage in a circular or upward motion. The vibration mimics the effect of a massage and helps relax facial muscles. For best results, use on cleansed skin and pair with a serum or moisturizer. It runs on a AA battery, not included. Okay. Darn, because I was gonna be like, can we, like, see how strong this is? I unfortunately don't have a AA battery right now, so I'm gonna have to go get one, but we can at least look at this thing. It's rose gold! Oh my god! Oh, I love it already. It's actually, looking at this, I didn't think it was gonna be that big, but it's, like, literally bigger than the picture on the box, which is backwards to how these things usually go. And I know it looks more normal gold on camera, but, like, in real life, this is rose gold. This is yellow gold. That is honestly real nice. Yeah, we all see the wheels turning in my head. Shut the hell up. But I guess the battery just... Yep, goes in there when I actually have a battery to use. I'm assuming just one? Yeah, I think... Hard to tell. Hard to tell. It just says AA powered. It doesn't say 1 or 2. Also, it doesn't have a plus or minus to help me with which direction, but the spring is at the bottom, so that means the pointy side goes down, I think? Yeah? Am I correct or am I backwards? I don't remember. Somebody help me. Anyway, so that is that. I'll report back on it when I procure a AA battery to try with it. On all fronts, but anyway, that's another video for another day. Maybe. Okay, anywho. Also comes with this little carry bag for it to stash it away in. You know, so you can stash it in your nightstand for reasons. So anyways, I have no shame today. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me. Anyway, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.